Hello everyone, we are Team Technia, dealing with process automation for retail sector using Internet of Things. If we see there is no automated process to predict and give sales forecast to the retail stores which can solve demand and supply problems. If we share this forecast to manufacturers beforehand, they can save resources if the sales is going to be less or use more resources if sales is going to be more. So we can save resources, manpower and economy of a country. To help solving this problem, we developed a web application that uses previous data like the number of items sold on a particular day, and that can be collected through Internet of Things using RFID sensors on products from stores like Amazon Go, weight sensors for items in warehouses, and simple cash counters from retail stores. When such collected data is shared with us, we will use that data to predict the sales for the next 3 months using time series algorithms like ARIMA and SARIMA, and then share results with the concerned manufacturers via email without any human intervention, so we can reduce the demand and supply problem. We used Google Colab for using cloud computing resources for easy automation and to deal with real-time inventory updates. Sarima is Seasonal Auto-Regressive Integrated Moving Average. It is an extension of Arima that explicitly supports univariate time series data with a seasonal component. Steps involved in our project are as follows. Data collection through Internet of Things, data cleaning, model training, and interface design. Our interface is a web application that has the text field where a retail store owner can enter the product ID and click the button to check the forecast for a particular product. Then our forecast model Sarima, which is the heart of our project, will use the previous collected data for that product and generates a graph of sales forecast for next 3 months. Now our retailer and manufacturer both can use these graphs to save their resources, thus achieving our goal of maintaining demand and supply. Thank you.